In this video, I'll show you how to use Brain AI Assistant in ClickUp. To get started, look for Brain or the AI option in your workspace and click it to open the AI Assistant. ClickUp Brain AI Assistant helps you find information, answer questions, summarize content, and work with information across your ClickUp workspace. In the AI assistant, type your question or request into the message box. For example, you can ask Brain to summarize a task, find information, or explain something from your workspace. Then, click Send to submit your request. Brain will process your request and provide a response based on the information available to it. If you need more information, ask a follow up question in the same conversation. You can also provide more specific instructions to get a more useful response. Review the response and make any changes or adjustments you need. Using ClickUp Brain AI Assistant can help you find information faster, summarize work, and complete everyday tasks without having to search through your workspace manually. And that's how to use Brain AI Assistant in ClickUp. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.